Hello and welcome all of you to my YouTube channel SimplifyX. Here in this video we will be discussing how to change the font in our Gmail account. Right, let's get to work. So we have a web browser open. We'll go to gmail.com. Right. Once the Gmail dashboard is open, click the gear icon in the right hand side and click settings. In the general settings, here there is a section called default text style. This is where you change your font style in the Gmail text. Okay. Now the default is sans serif. If you are not satisfied with that, there are several options that you can choose from. Right. You have serif, wide, narrow, Comic Sans, Garamond, Georgia. I like this Tahoma font. Okay. You can change your font size from here. And if you need your font to get any other color other than black, you can change it from here. Right. I like my text black, and the font size is also normal is enough for me. So I have done the changes, and let's scroll down and click save changes. It's very important that you click save changes, otherwise the changes that you have made will not be saved. Save changes, and it's done. If you go to compose, now text is changed to Tahoma font. Right. So guys, now we have come to the end of our tutorial today. Thanks for watching. If you find this useful, please share it among your community and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you later.